Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Abdjine, and today we are doing an ab workout video that you guys can do at home or at the gym that is sure to get your abs right and tight and defined and beautiful. So as you can see, I am outside right now. It's such a nice day. I figured, you know what, why not film outside? So there's going to be a lot of background noises. I apologize for that. It's just cars passing by. I cannot control that. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Let's get to the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you know. Okay. I'm done. So we are starting off with mountain climbers. We're going to do 45 seconds of each workout, and then we will take small breaks in between. So make sure you squeeze your abs. You should be feeling it. Like, honestly, I was doing mountain climbers for a while now. I've been doing mountain climbers for a while, and I recently started squeezing my abs. When I tell you, it is a game changer, and you should be able to feel it. And also, it gets your heart pumping too, so it's a great warm-up. Okay, so now we are jumping straight to planks. It's pretty self-explanatory. Make sure you don't poke your booty out, or you don't dip it too low. Make sure you squeeze your abs and engage your glutes as well. And we're gonna go for 45 seconds. Okay, now we're just going to take a small little break. I didn't put my timer, so I don't really remember how long the break was. And right after that, we're gonna start doing leg raises for 45 seconds. And then when you go up, you'll see you have to kind of like crunch up a little bit. Like, you see what I'm doing. Hold on. Here you go. Yes. Yeah. See, I crunch up a little bit. You can even reach for your toes or your ankles, or reach up. That'll help you with the crunch. Okay, so next we have crunches. Make sure you reach up, you squeeze. That's my favorite word, squeeze. Anyway, just do crunches for 45 seconds. You got this, let's go. I don't even know if you're following along, but if you are, good for you. Okay, so now we're going to take about 30 seconds break, and then after that we're going to move to plank with hip dip. So it's like when you go side to side. And now we are going to proceed to Russian twist, my favorite. I have a lot of favorites. It burns, but I love it. Slow and control. As you can see by my face, I was having a really great time. It was burning a lot. You see, I had to stop. Couldn't go on. I couldn't go on anymore. Now we are taking another break, and after that we're going to move on to reverse crunch. Yeah. Okay, let's keep going. We are doing heel touches. I have a lot of energy right now, so let's go. And y'all, it's pretty self-explanatory as well. Let's move on to crunches. Doing this workout right under the hot sun was not my brightest idea. I was sweating OD. Okay, the next exercise is bicycle crunches. Make sure your back is laid flat on the floor and your head and shoulders are slightly raised. And then you're gonna do opposite arm and opposite elbow and opposite knee. So, choo, choo, choo. Okay, we are almost done, guys. This is our last exercise. We are doing scissors. Make sure your back is flat on the floor. Whenever you are using your legs to do any type of ab exercise, make sure your back is flat because you do not want to injure yourself. And you're just going to kick and kick and kick. Engage your cores, guys. Engage your core. If you can just lift up your head a little bit and watch your feet, you'll feel a big difference. And we are all done. If you followed along, great job. If you did not, maybe you should try it next time. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Thank you for clicking and watching. I hope you did. I hope you didn't skip through all of it. And if you followed along, please let me know how you did and how I did, because it was my first time doing a follow along video. So let me know if you had any issues and what I can improve on for next time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.